Hello! In this video, we're going to learn about how to display the fare codes and price them with required currency. Amadeus Fares and Pricing is a computerized air travel pricing system. Its database stores millions of public and private fares for hundreds of different suppliers. The Amadeus Fares and Pricing entries allow you to display fares, price and itinerary, request fare rules and conditions, request currency conversions, and calculate mileage for a route of city pairs. Now, in order to display the fare code type, you can write FQD fare code display and specify the route, Kuwait to London. You can specify the airline, let's say on British Airways, and of course the date. You have the 25th of April 21. Now a list of fares will be displayed on the screen. To narrow our search, we can also specify the class by writing the same entry and adding the class. We can recall the same entry, FQD Kuwait London ABA. Now you have the date. Now you divide by slash and specify the class. So it will narrow our search. It will show only the Tango class fares. To select the preferred fare basis, now you can write FQN, which fare basis we want. Let's suppose we want 1 or 2, 1, depending on which line number. So it selects fare basis number 1. This is the fare basis. And of course, these are all the fare basis of a particular flight. Now we have this fare basis rules and details, including the penalties or surcharges. But before that, let's go and check one by one what do we have on the list. Like here, LN is the line number, and as I said, the fare basis, and OW is the one way, KWD is the currency code, RT is the round trip fare amount, B is the booking class, PEN is the penalty. When it is plus, that means there are penalties, and you have the dates and days, and the AP stands for advanced purchase requirement, and minimum and maximum is the minimum stay restriction and the maximum stay restriction, and the last R is for routing information. By the way, you can break down your search, of course, with the same entry, writing FQD and the routing with the date, with the class, and also if it is round trip, you can write IR/IR or IO, which is the one way. Now, after selecting the fare, we selected here the fare, okay, fare number 1, and this is the fare basis. Now, we would like to see the penalties. How to check the penalties? We write FQN number 1 display PE, which stands for penalties, and it will show us the penalties that we have. Cancellations anytime, charge 25 KD. You move down. If there are any other charges, you read the text, you move down. There are of course charges for the no-show or changes. Charge 30 KD for reissue or revalidation. So you have to read all the penalty rules so that you have information about a particular fare basis. Now, after selecting the fare, we need to know the price. To do so, we type FXX to price the itinerary without creating TST. So FXX need itinerary. It shows like this because the FXX entry is applicable when we have a booked an itinerary. Otherwise, the system will send a message like this, need itinerary. So in this case, we have to put the PNR to see the price of this ticket, XKC. We have the PNR. Now we can check for the price by using FXX entry and see it shows us the price 282,750 fils KD. Sometimes foreign currency may occur in the fare rules, as well as if we want to check how much it is equivalent in dollars or $2, we use FQC, and let's suppose it's 282 KD, KWD amount 282.750 equivalent to US dollars. And the system will show us that it is equivalent to 938.72 cents dollars. So this is for Kuwaiti dinar and US dollars currency. We can apply the same search or currency conversion for all the currencies that we have around the world. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and watch the last videos on Amadeus Selling Platform Connect.